In this video, you will explore the steps to use an Unselect checkbox keyword in Avo Assure to unselect a previously selected checkbox in SAP application when automating its processes. Start with adding step on the Design Test Steps screen. Select CB1_CHK box as the element name and Unselect checkbox as the keyword to uncheck the captured checkbox. Once done, save the designed test step. Next, click Debug, and click Debug again from the pop-up. This will debug the designed test steps, and you will see that it unselects the chosen checked checkbox in the SAP application, confirming successful debug.